Alright, everybody. The big thing that has me concerned is this green speck right here. As I go forward through a few images, you can clearly see this green speck moving in accordance to this star. I will go forward now, and you will be able to see the green speck move slightly to about this area. Okay, here we go. Okay, that you could clearly see it shifting shape and moving from about here to here. I will go backwards to make it a little more clear to you if you didn't notice it the first time. It's very obvious it's moving, and it is shifting shapes, it seems. I'm not quite sure what's going on there. I will go back to that last image I had. There it is, moving, going forward, 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 forward. Okay, here's another interesting thing. This green speck is here. I waited a few moments to take more pictures. I didn't realize I was capturing this. Anyways, I waited a little bit. I took some more pictures. This green speck will now appear down here. Ready? And go. There it is. It has moved from here to here with no clear explanation why or how. It is. I'm sure it's not a plane because planes are not green. I will go forward again, and this green speck will now move this way. Here we go. It's very, very slight, but if you pay attention, you can see it move. It's only 3 images. I'll go back and forth a few times. One, two. You can see it moved a little bit, and it moves yet again. So I waited even longer to take more pictures, and the green speck is gone from here, and it seems to have moved over here. I don't know. It's very strange. I believe this is the green speck in question because it's not here anymore. As I forward through these images, this green speck tends to go this way a little bit. Actually, it looks like it's kind of going down. It's very, very hard to tell what this is. The most compelling evidence I have, though, is the first set of images. I'm going backwards now, where this green speck will end up back up here. It's very bizarre. It seems to be shifting shapes or something as you go through the images. I just want to zoom in on this green speck, and let's see what it is up close. See, that is extremely bizarre to me. Why is it shaped like that? If I go to the next picture, okay, we'll zoom in on it yet again. Gotta wait for iPhoto to stop being stupid, and it has changed in shape. If anyone has explanations on to how some mysterious green light in the sky changes shape and moves without any sounds or strange lights that I could see with my own eyes, please feel free to suggest what you think this is. Alright, everyone. I took screenshots of the green image, or the green speck in each image, blown up in each image I've taken, and put them in succession so you could clearly see how it changes throughout the images. Here is the first one, the second one, the third, which is a very peculiar shape, maybe an eye drop or something. I don't know what those two little things are coming off of it, but it's obviously changed in shape. And the third one, it's changed it again. It's very, very tubular looking. I don't know. We'll just continue on here. This one is my favorite of all time, I would probably say, of these images, because I'm just going to zoom in on it. You could see maybe a craft or a shape. A solid shape is right here. But then you have all these little, like, feathery things coming off the top, and then there's a cloud underneath of it. But it's obvious that there is, like, an outline of a shape here. It looks like a box, but it's kind of rounded if you look at it here. So maybe it's like a tube. That tube in this image, blow that one up. Maybe it turns sideways? I don't know. We'll go back to the last image here. That is a very interesting image. We'll go to the next one, where it seems like it might be just, I don't know, that craft shape, the same shape from the last image, is still there, but now there's just clouds around it. And it does that into that, which is like, I don't know, is maybe a wormhole or something, because it just has these wispy things and then it's like circling in. Go to the next one, which is also interesting, because if you look at it, there's like a swirl here, and then there's this bright blue spot where the craft seems to be going down or something. I don't know. My mind is blown right now. I don't know what this green thing is in all my images. It's just very weird. Here we can see it looks like those wispy things from several images ago are there, but it's maybe upside down or sideways now. And then there's this barrier here, it's kind of orange. And this is to show you that these next images are from when the craft has moved from this area down to this area. And here we go. Rather compelling, if you ask me. How does it do that? Why is that coming off of there? How come pointing down or forward? And what is that dimple right there? But it's like a kidney-shaped thing now. And it goes to this, which seems to be like a whirlpool or a tunnel. I don't know what it is. And yet again, it seems to have shifted or moved and changed its shape a little bit. And this is one of my favorites. It looks like it has officially tunneled in, like to space, or I don't know. But you can see it just, and then in, like it's like a tunnel. Just imagine a tunnel coming that way, or whatever way the tunnel would go. But that's the entrance, and that's what they've left behind. That was the same image. And this is also interesting because now the hole has seemed to close, but there's these two little triangle things on the top and the bottom, and that could be like maybe it's closing, the wormhole or whatever they've created is like going away or something. And this is to show you that that's the main star that's been focused on. It's gone from here to over here, and now it's just like a cloud or something in the sky, but it's also very, very spherical. If you use your imagination, you could see it very well, that there is a sphere there. Maybe this is the craft. And this is some kind of force field. I really don't know. I'm not an expert on UFOs. I don't think anyone is. And this is the next one. It just got even more cloudier and hard to define its shape. Maybe like some kind of cosmic storm it's created. I don't know. Yet again, it's becoming more and more unidentifiable. Although you can kind of see it here, and there's about 1, 2, 3, 4 holes there, and the center is blue with a hole in it. And this picture, it's become very cloudy and hard to see what the image is. That's all I really have at the moment. I hope you enjoyed what I've showed you. And please share this with your friends and maybe they can come up with something very cool. Because I have yet to find an explanation for what I have found here. That's all I really got for today. So thank you for viewing and have a great day, folks.